In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the formula field in Airtable. A formula field in Airtable automatically calculates values from other fields, saving you time and keeping your data consistent. You can use it for simple math, text combinations, dates, and logical checks. Let's walk through the process from start to finish so you can set one up with confidence. First, head to airtable.com and sign in to your account. Once you're in, open the base and the specific table where you want the calculation to live. If you're working with sample data, that's perfect. The formula will update across every record automatically. Next, either add a new field or choose an existing field you'd like to convert. If you're adding a new one, click to create a field and give it a clear name so you'll remember what it calculates. Then select Formula as the field type. This tells Airtable that the values in this column are computed, not typed manually. Formula fields are read-only, which means you won't edit the cells directly. Airtable handles the results for you. Now enter your formula in the formula editor. You can reference other fields by their names, and if a field name has spaces, wrap it in curly braces. For example, to combine first and last name fields, you might join them with a space. You can add numbers, compare dates, or build conditional logic with functions like if to handle empty values or special cases. Think of the editor like a calculator with superpowers. Text functions to clean up formatting, date functions to compute durations, and math functions to total costs or apply discounts. If you see an error message, it usually means there's a mismatch in data types or a missing field reference. Adjust the expression until it parses correctly. As you type, use the preview to confirm the calculated result. This is your quick check to verify the output looks the way you expect before it populates your table. When you're satisfied, click Create Field or Save. Airtable will apply the formula across all records at once. Scan your table to review the results. If a few rows don't look right, check the source fields for blanks, typos, or unexpected formats. Finally, remember you can update the formula anytime. Open the field settings, adjust the expression, and save again. Airtable will recalculate instantly, making it easy to refine your logic as your base evolves. With this workflow, your data stays accurate, consistent, and effortless to maintain.